Good morning, class. Today we are going to be talking about resistance skills, also known as refusal skills. Resistance skills. So what are resistance skills? Resistance skills or refusal skills are the skills that are used to say no to an action or to leave a situation in which you feel uncomfortable. Today we are going to do some activities that will help you better understand how and when to use refusal skills to get ourselves out of situations that are high risk. Has anyone here ever been in an uncomfortable or high-risk situation? Or does anyone know what a high-risk activity is? A high-risk activity is an impulse or reckless action that can put you or another person in danger of an unintentional injury. Does anyone in this class know what an unintentional injury is? An unintentional injury is actually the number 3 cause of death in the United States, and it accounts for 1 of every 4 people. So it's an injury that you didn't expect to happen. Questions to think about for today's lesson. What are 2 different ways we can use resistance skills? And how can resistance skills help us avoid high-risk behaviors that could lead to an unintentional injury? Task 1, group communication. For our first task today, I want everyone to get in 3 groups of 4. We are going to be sharing our thoughts, feelings, and information related to resistance skills. I want everyone to communicate with each other different ways to say no with self-confidence. And I want one student to write down the ideas and thoughts of the other group members on a ticket. You will hand in that ticket at the end of class today before you leave. After we're done with this, the group will share their ideas with the class. Does anyone have any questions before we begin? Task 2, role play scenario. For our second task, I want everyone to go back into their groups and come up with a made-up role play scenario in which you will have to use 2 of the refusal skills from task 1. Be creative, make up a story, peer pressure. You will have 10 minutes, then each group will present to the class. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, so for task 3, I want everyone to pull out their journals, and I want everyone to write down the good choices that they make on an everyday basis. You may not even realize them. Some of them may be brushing your teeth, getting up for class. I want you to write down a time you made a good choice in a high-risk situation, in a situation that you thought you were uncomfortable in and that you made the right decision. Does anyone have any questions before we end off?